Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. This is a Roller Team 287 Integral Select motorhome, and have a quick look at it now. I'll start off by giving you the bad news, which is 93,250. This vehicle is a 745 centimeters long, integrated, and so it therefore the front comes from Roller Team, has this enormous bed, absolutely, well, at least it seems enormous, maybe it's the same size as all the others, but to me it seems to be absolutely gigantic, above the driving position, and it would seem part of the face-to-face setup as well. Right, let's come to the back. We've got two beds here. We have got windows on either side, plus a window in the roof, storage at the back. It's a German layout, two singles which can be joined together. We've got storage under the beds, as well as access to the garage at the back, which I'll show you. And there are also drawers in here as well. Coming around to the side, note we have a shower, which is quite large, separate shower and toilet, and there's the toilet. Toilet comes with a mirror and a sink. And right, coming into here, right, there's your fridge. It's in two parts. There's part one, and here's part two. Oh, there you go. Part two is a freezer. It's a pretty big freezer, that one, for a motorhome. And storage up there, and kitchen back here. I thought it was broken, doesn't mean. There's the sink, and a range here, which has 2 or 3 burners, depending on the option taken. That's got 2. Drawer here. And now we'll have a look at this, which is, right, face-to-face setup. I noticed that this part down here has been broken. And why is this like that? Well, I'll tell you why. Because when you make I think you've got to travel in the direction of travel, and so you have to take that bit up there. So you've got a seat here to sit on, which is going the same way as the direction you're traveling in. So the seat belt goes that way, and you'll find the same thing on that side as well. I know it looks a bit of a mess now. It'll always look a bit of a mess if you want a face-to-face setup like this. And with the, I imagine, I mean, if you haven't got this, then you don't have to do it, but presumably this is something for all new vehicles. There's a light down there. Can't understand the setup of that at all. It looks a bit of a mess. Maybe it's already broken. I'll have a look at this. The front's quite nice, huh? Storage up there. Let's come out. I'll have a look around the outside. There's the garage, the inside of which we saw earlier. Very big garage. And there, look, it says 10-year body construction integrity warranty. Now that is quite impressive. I mean, really, these things are getting longer and longer, but that to me says a great deal. So if anybody's had any problems with the warranty, do let me know. But I think that, you know, if they're prepared to guarantee the thing for 10 years, then it says a lot. And these guarantees are actually getting longer and longer. I'm presuming that includes water ingress. Water ingress is the biggest problem with these motorhomes, I think. With the campervans, less so. With the motorhome, all the walls are glued together, or if it's a Mobilvetta design, they're sellotaped together. Good. So there you go. There's a quick look at this vehicle. It's the Roller Team 287 Integral Select. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and best wishes from me in Germany.